Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand how to create the Amazon Kinesis data object in the developer tool and perform column projection. So this is the agenda. We'll understand how to create the Kinesis object and what is the data object operation and how to perform column projection. So an Amazon Kinesis data object, it's a physical data object that represents data in Amazon Kinesis data stream. After we create Amazon Kinesis connection in the developer tool or the admin console or using infocmd command, we can create the Amazon Kinesis data object which can be used to read from Amazon Kinesis data stream. So when we configure this data object, we can specify the name of the data stream that from which we want to read. Yeah. After we create the data object, we can create the read operation to read data from the Amazon Kinesis data stream. We can then add column projection and use this data object in our mapping. So what is column projection? So when we read data from any of the streaming source, the data will be in the binary format. And if the payload is XML type or JSON or Avro format, then we can perform column projection in the Informatica developer tool. We can perform column projection in the Informatica developer tool to pass the binary data and perform some operation on the different fields in the data. Now let us see how to create Amazon Kinesis data object and perform column projection through a demo. So I have logged into Informatica developer tool and connected to my MRS where I want to create the data object. So before creating the data object, we need to create the Amazon Kinesis connection by providing the necessary information. So go to Windows tab, click on Preferences. In the Connection tab, expand the domain, go to the messaging section and Amazon Kinesis. So I have already created a connection. So this is my connection. So I'll use this connection to import the data object or the Amazon Kinesis data stream. So right click on the project, click on the data object. Here you can search with Amazon Kinesis data object. You need to select the connection which you have created and then you can add the Amazon Kinesis data stream. So this will list all the streams that you have created. This is the stream that I have created for testing. I'll select this and then import. So I have imported the data object. Now let us see how to perform column projection. You need to click on the data object operation tab. Click on this and then you need to select whether you want to use it as source. If you want to use it as source, you need to select stream read. If you want to use Amazon Firehose as target, then you need to select stream write. So I'll select stream read and then I'll add that data stream. So as you see here, the data is in the binary format. So we need to perform column projection if we want to pass the data. So we can perform many operations on the incoming data and then we can go to the respective target. So now let us see how to perform column projection. You need to click on the schema and then you need to select this option, enable column projection. And then you need to select the type of your payload. If it is XML, then you can select XML and then JSON, flat file, Avro. You have all these options. So I'll select XML and then here you need to provide the schema. So there are options. You can directly provide schema over here, or you can have a schema file on your server and then you can assign a parameter. So I'll just provide the schema over here directly. This is how my schema looks like. So I'll just copy this and use it for column projection. So in this case, my schema is incorrect. So it is throwing an error. You can correct the schema and then you can add it over here. So just for testing, I'll just remove the timestamp element. And then add it over here. So using column projection, you can get all the fields from the source. If it is in data is in binary format, you'll not be able to perform any operations or any transformation on that. So this is the use of column projection. That is it for the demo. If you have any feedback, you can write us to @supportvideos@informatica.com. Thank you.